Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need essentials ready, notifications on, templates loaded, and a distraction-free 60-minute window. First, open your most used inbox and enable badges and sounds so nothing hides. Next, load or paste 3 short templates that cover routine questions. This saves typing time. Then prioritize the oldest or highest impact incoming item and start a focused, timed sprint. Once you commit, respond concisely, 1 to 3 sentences, so you finish more conversations within the hour. Now execute deliberately. Triage your queue into urgent, delegible, or deferrable categories. Tackle urgents first. Use your templates but personalize 1 or 2 lines to acknowledge context. That builds rapport without wasting time. Employ keyboard shortcuts and text expansion to insert common phrases instantly. If an item requires more than 5 minutes, convert it to a quick acknowledgement plus a scheduled follow-up. Make sure to delegate tasks you can't finish so the overall load shrinks rapidly and replies stay timely. Finish by sending concise wrap-ups that state the decision, next step, and deadline. This prevents back and forth. Once done, schedule follow-ups and add reminders for any unresolved threads so nothing slips past the hour. If you're not getting responses or notifications, troubleshoot quickly. Check spam filters, internet connection, and notification permissions. If templates misfire, edit them for clarity. Finally, review your process once weekly to refine templates and triage criteria so you keep hitting that 1-hour target.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.